Alright, go. Go inside the house. Are there a lot of cars in there?
Yeah.
Can we see? Whoa! What are you gonna do with all these cars?
Yeah, I'm gonna go down the slide.
You're gonna make them go down the slide? Alright, make them go down the slide.
You know what this color is?
What color is it? Who is that?
Like Mcqueen.
Whoa! Alright, Lightning McQueen, go down the slide.
Wait, like Mcqueen. What color is this?
What color is it?
White.
Alright, white car, go down.
It's a white car. What color is this one?
What's that color?
Red.
Make it go. Can you find 2 yellow cars? Hmm. 2 yellow cars. Gotta look for the yellow cars.
I found one.
You found one and look a little. Can you find another yellow? Alright, let's have them go down the slide.
What color is those?
What color?
Yellow.
Alright, yellow car.
Good job, yellow car.
Alright, what color next?
Wow.
We're gonna do black car. Ooh, how many was that?
2.
Alright. What about blue?
Okay. What color is this?
What color is it?
Red. Oh. What color is this one?
Oh, let's find out. What color is it?
Red.
A red car!
Color is white.
Ooh, a white car. Ready?
Oh. I like how this one. This red.
It's a red car?
Colors. It's red.
Woo!
It's a red car. It's a red.
Alright.
How about white? It's about white cars.
Okay.
Okay, white car. Go. Good job, white car. Here's the one I found. Watch this. I'm gonna slip it.
What you doing?
Okay. I found a different color.
Okay. Can you make 3 go down the slide?
I need to go down my bottom. So I don't want to have myself on here.
Okie dokie.
I don't want to go down first. Only the cars.
Do you want to put more cars? Can you do all the cars?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, let's do some more.
I found a different color.
What's that color?
It's white.
And what other color?
And the pretty colors is white. There's one there and there.
There's two colors on there. White and what other color do you see?
I see.
Oh, the one you're holding in your hand.
And it's got little wheels on it.
It does have little wheels. I see white and purple. Do you see white and purple?
And black.
And black?
Oh wait, this wants to go down a slide.
Okie dokie.
I don't want to be too cold.
You don't want to be too cold? Do you just want to put a lot of cars on the side and watch them all go down at once?
Yeah.
All right, pick up a handful.
Only one. I don't
Oh,
want to get a food.
you don't want them to get them full? Okay.
Actually, it will fall off your hand.
Oh, okay.
Only one.
All right, what's that color?
It's red.
Now let's watch it go.
Okay, red car. Let's watch it go.
Can you go find a white car?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that a white car?
Yeah.
All right, make it go. Is that a white police car?
Yeah.
All right. Woo!
I found an orange one.
Whoa, that's cool.
Maybe it's orange.
Yeah?
Purple on there. And it says black on there.
Uh-huh.
My orange socks.
Yeah?
And some little wheels, hangers. This is the little ones.
All right. You make it go down the slide?
Yeah.
All right, let it go.
Okay. I'll go by one.
What's that one?
It's white.
Ooh.
Even the doors are protected.
All right, time to let it go. Next.
It's green.
Ooh, that's a cool green.
Even I found this
Yeah?
on the couch.
You found it on the couch?
This is cool. Let it go down.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Next.
Can I find the car?
Can you find 2 black cars?
Yeah.
Okay.
I found one.
All right, we got one.
Let's watch them go down.
Alrighty.
Let it go down by one. See what color this is.
What's that color?
It's white.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Okay. What color is this?
Ooh, that's a cool color.
It's green.
It's like a yellow green. Is it a fire truck?
Yeah.
Whoa, cool.
Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 wheels.
4 wheels on the fire truck.
Let's watch it go down. one very fast. Let's try another one.
All right.
Try this one. It's very fast.
It's got jet engines.
Okay.
Whoa.
Wheels. And this open up.
Is that a Rocket League car?
Yes. That is a Rocket League. That is a button. So when you push it, makes the car go.
Ooh.
Okay. So watch it go down. Okay. We got more cars. How about this one? This looks pretty. I know what this color is. Let's go in front. See what color it is.
What color is that?
It's blue.
Ooh, blue.
Let's look for this one.
All right, let it go.
Yeah.
Can you get two at once? What about a yellow and a red? Are you gonna get a blue?
Red.
A blue and a red?
And what color next?
Let's do those two. Woohoo!
Even what with this?
Ooh, what's that?
It's big.
It is big. Is that a garbage truck?
Yeah.
All right.
Watch it go down.
Whoa. Put some cars away in the basket so we can get ready for bed.
I want the cars get ready for bed.
Okay.
Get all those. Don't forget those.
Okay, I won't. All right, make this one go down. I'll put them in the basket. There's just so many.
Big monster truck.
Well, that's a big monster truck. Cool. Whoa. Where is it? Where is it? Whoa.
I missed.
I got it in.
Don't forget the penny.
The penny.
Alright,
How many cars you got left, man?
I got 0.
No, you don't. I think you got 1,000. What's that color?
What says the penny in there?
Gotta put the penny in it. What color is it?
It's gray.
Alrighty.
can see them camera.
You can see him, camera.
I made it.
Julian, what's way up there? Airplane.
It's so fast.
They are fast.
No, don't do that. You want to show in the camera.
Oh, I missed.
I missed.
Oh dear.
I missed.
That's okay. Then just pick it up and try again.
If it's a falling down.
Whoa, you got a lot of cars. One, two, three.
No, just like that.
Any more cars?
No.
You're all done?
Yeah.
All right, Julie's trying to go down the slide.
There's no more.
No more?
I watch Julia go down the slide.
Okay.
Alright, camera, you ready?
All right, all right. Camera's ready. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Bye.
Camera.
You say bye.
Camera.
You say bye, camera.
You can look.
You look. Say bye.
Bye, Mama.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.